Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I want to show you, coming up is October 6th is World Card Making Day, and Stampin' Up! Has a really great special going on. They've got some stuff for World Card Making Day, 10% off from the annual catalog. I just wanted to show you some of the things that are off. So first off, we're going to the annual catalog, and we are going to go to page 7 and the Notes of Kindness set. Let's bring this down so you can see it. The Notes of Kindness set right here is usually $35, and it is now $31.50. So don't forget that. So again, the Notes of Kindness is $31.50 on sale. Then we're going to pop over to the page 8 and the Soft Sayings card kit. Again, it's $35 here and it's $31.50, but that's on sale. And then we're going to pop over to page 9 and the Lots of Happy card kit right there. The Lots of Happy card kit is, again, $35 and $31.50 on sale. And then we're going to pop over to page 11. Now this is one of my favorite ones. This is the Calligraphy project kit. The kit is usually $18. It's on sale for $16.20. But also the Calligraphy Essentials the Calligraphy Essentials stamp set is also on sale. The wood 27 is now $24.30. The clear, usually 19, is $17.10. Okay. Then we have, let's go over to some of the Ready to Layer is on page 170. This Ready to Layer, which is a 4-step stamper, this is great for using the Stamparatus. That's on sale, $17 and is now $15.30. And again, the sale's only from October 1st until the 7th. And if you use my hostess code and you get any one of these, you usually get, for over $50 order, you get one gift. I will be sending you 2 gifts if you order one of these. And the hostess code for this month is 7XAPJ23M. I'll have it listed below, okay? So let's go on to say, again, Ready to Layer is $15.30. Around the Corner on page 40. This is Around the Corner. This is a great set for putting in your corners of your cards. You stamp them right here. There's this one, there's hello there, there's this one. This one can go down the side, celebrate every tiny victory. It's your day. It goes in the corners, and that is on sale. That is usually $16 and it's $14.40 now. And then, oh, this is one of my favorite sets. The Petal Palette with the little birdie. You can also get framelits for this, but the only one on sale is the stamp set, and it's the wood is $47 and it's $42.30. And the clear is $35 and it's $31.50. 48. P.S. You're the best. Oh, that's with the typewriter. How many of you know what a typewriter is? So I do. I used to use them a lot. Anyhow, this is, you have the wood set is 28 and it's 25.20, and the clear set is 20 and it's now 17.10. Okay, and then you're going to have some of the Whisper White, the 12 by 12 cardstock Whisper White and Very Vanilla is on sale. It's usually $7.75 for 12 sheets. It's now $6.98. And then we've got, I have to order these. I love my note cards and envelopes. So either the Whisper White or the Very Vanilla note cards, $6.50 regularly, now $5.85. And then the narrow, Whisper White Narrow is on sale too, regularly $8, now $7.20. And probably the one that I really like the best, the Delightfully Detailed Note Cards, $9.50, now on sale for $8.55. Remember, until the 7th, and use the hostess code. And what else is on sale? We have foam adhesive on sale. That is $7.20, regularly $8. We have the Stampin' Dimensionals, both the regular and the minis are on sale, regularly $4, now $3.50. And the tear and tape, regularly $7, now $6.30. So stock up. I really am wishing they had the mini glue dots. Oh well. Stock up on your tear and tape and your Stampin' Dimensionals. Don't forget those. So those are all the things for World Card Making Day. Again, you can, all the information to buy them is down below, and you can just use the hostess code 7XAPJ23M, and I'll be sending you a little extra something. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.